What's going on, YouTube? Brett Seeley here. Today we are in Denver. No, we're in Thornton, huh? Thornton. We're in Thornton, Colorado with my homie Bill. Bill and I go way, way back, and Bill is going to be painted neon colors today.
It's gonna be good.
Sexy. What are we shooting today? Neon.
Me.
Today we are doing a UV ultraviolet glow-in-the-dark paint photo shoot. I have never done this before. Bill has been doing this style for quite a bit. I'll link his Instagram down below. He's one of the most creative guys that I've had the pleasure of meeting over the last, we go way back, huh? How many years?
2013.
2013. But today we're gonna be shooting the incredible
Becky.
And we are going to we're gonna try to make some messes.
Time to get messy.
I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm just gonna try to make some shots that look somewhat as good as my man Bill's here. Hopefully we'll get some decent shots, and you're gonna get so messy.
I can't wait. So excited.
It's gonna get so messy. You guys ready to get started?
So
Let's do it.
Let's go. Trying something different. I've never used these before. Two 200 Pros. I've got the grid attachment, and then I'm using a blue gel. I'm gonna put these in the back. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of a crispy edge light. We'll see how it goes.
Doesn't really matter what we do.
Ooh, that glows. All right, I said it's paint. Time to get it, yeah.
Just trust that the universe is right.
All right, so let's pour a tiny one. That's trippy. Yeah, this is fucking cool.
This is the good life. This is the good
Spooky.
life. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life.
More. And then rotate whole body to the left.
This is the good life.
Yeah, this one might be sure. So how much of the paint was used for those two colors? Was that all of the paint?
That was both tubes of those colors.
Both tubes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I still have more colors, yeah.
Gotcha.
Just these are the, this is what these colors.
Gotcha. Okay. We're gonna start experimenting now. Want to see some of the images that we create a little bit later? Make sure to check out her Instagram. Make sure to check out Bill's and Twan's, and then mine. And the whole point of today's video is to try something new, because this is the first time I've tried this. It looks kind of crazy. I think it looks kind of cool. We're gonna do some upside down headstand yoga type poses. Hopefully you stay inspired. Hopefully you're out there creating, and I'd love to see what you guys create as well. There's a lot of videos here that showcase a lot of different styles of photography. Comment down below with your Instagram so I can see what you guys are creating. Till next time, keep shooting.